Do you know what this underscore is for? So now let's find out. I'm going to run this and it gives me 1000. It is known as underscore virtual. Basically, this is for readability. So when you have a lot of digits, right, it's very difficult to read. So basically, let's just say you have like this many zero, right? It's hard to understand. Is it 1 million or is it larger than that? So you put the underscore here. So now you can quickly understand that this is not 1 million or 10 million, but 10 billion, right? Because there are 10 zero in this number. Okay, how about this is the floating number? It still support that as well. So you can just enter, okay, dot 99, right? Now let's find out. Quickly run this and here it is, right? It didn't show us the underscore at all. It just for, again, readability, easy to understand, quick to grab what the long number is. So yep, that's the purpose of using underscore within the number.